Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates out. I'm joined by China.
Stibo, let's talk about the game first.
Sure.
Coach doesn't have tactics.
Yes.
From starting 11,
Sure.
it was better. It was a better starting 11 compared to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sure.
He tried to make some changes, but those changes, they still keep Unemtajela. We need to be honest about coach. Why Unemtajela engane yakhe? Coach is babysitting Unemtajela. Coach une relationship enkulu noNemtajela, of which is killing the team. Umlungu is not a Paris material. Buccaneers need to be honest about that. The Keswick Stars, they came with a good plan, and it worked for them. Keswick Stars was here to defend. Kunendwana lapha Keswick Stars egqoka number 2 abathi ngofukeng. Umnandi boy, umakhi space kuMoremi, akamakhi uMoremi, and then always uMoremi akamakhi ibhola uyawaluza ibhola. Urile is forced to play i-role kaNemtajela because of Nemtajela is useless. Coach need to change. Zikuphi intwana ezifana nabo Kabela? Why kumele uNemtajela adlale every game 120 minutes? What is it Nemtajela is doing for Orlando Pirates? There's nothing. Again, when coach change, ukhipha uHoto ufaka uNdaba. This team is not attacking. How come that ukhipha i-defender and then ufaka i-defender, whereas the team is not attacking, is defending? Because of it means that Coach Wadu doesn't have a plan, but Coach Wadu unelakhe enkulu, and Coach Wadu bekacashe ngeteam kaRibeiro. Now uyayikhipha leya team ufaka imarumo yakhe. Now makafaka le marumo ayifakayo uya-expose. Pirates have every quality player. The problem now is the coach. There are no combinations. Look at uNemtajela noMakhawula. Ayisebenzi la combination. There's no communication between Usipho Shayine noSmith. uSmith uFront for ukuthi amisi penalty. Umbuduma, the penalty I missed today is the same penalty I missed edlala neFC Lupopo. Now uyayibuza as a coach, this player missed the penalty. Ngiyamnikeza player. I think so. By Corinne. Now I made a mistake on that one. I think I lost a memory on that one. But however, you look at something. What are the tactics? What are the tactics the coach are doing? Coach doesn't have tactics. Coach doesn't have tactics because of coach didn't change the game second half. Because of the game was still neutral. Usibonile lezintwana that now lendwana asidlali, but is the defender smart. Kubani amchangile ukuthi azokwenza changes ayikho. Now coach emsebenzeni lena. Vayile to.
Thank you, China.